What is up, guys? It is Claudius Jr. So today I'm going to discuss two things. So today, first we're going to talk about the Saw winner, and then the recent issue with me betting. So let me explain that. Unfortunately, my evidence did not say for some reason, but if you guys watch my channel, as you can clearly see in my inventory, I no longer have the slasher. That is because, let me explain. So basically, I betted this girl named I Pizza because like she kept like bothering me. She wouldn't leave me alone. She's like, "Hey, bet me, bet me, bet me, bet me, bet me," and like I was like, "Okay, buddy." So she had betted one of my friends before, which he's actually in the server. He's actually in the server. Is he here? Yeah. So let me put this right here in the chat so you guys can see it. But if we go to Call Destroyer, so I commented that I Pizza cheated because she kept like wall hacking. Let me go to the giveaway video. Yeah, that's private. New godly giveaway. I think it was this one. Yeah. But oh yeah. So basically, what she did with him was it was supposed to be until 3. So he had won 3-2, but at the last minute she added a round, and I think he lost. I'm not sure. Oh, so his wasn't as bad. I lost a whole godly, but yeah. One of hold on, this is in a different video. Oh yeah, this is like the scammer guy. I put that down there so you guys could look at that. If you go to YouTube, one of the people commented so she wall hacks. Also, she tends to reset a lot. Like she always wants to be murdered. Like the big reason why I lost was she kept resetting when she got sheriff. So in the end, I had to be like sheriff most of the rounds, and I ended up losing. And also the fact that she kept like saying stuff like you guys know how I phone lag. She tried she wanted me to give her the Monday. But yeah, if you go, I think it's my recent video. I commented saying, "Guys, beware," because like a lot of people started betting me all of a sudden, and most of the times I only bet common. This is one of the reasons why I don't This is one of the reasons why I don't like to do what I don't like to do godlies. But where is the comment? Okay, here we go. Yeah, she said he scammed me for my slasher. First of all, it was my slasher. Second of all, I gave it to her. It's not even in my inventory. I don't have any alts. She took this. I gave her the slasher. She essentially took it because I had to, or else she was gonna probably make some dumb video saying how I'm a scammer, even though I'm not. But other than that, let's do the giveaway winner. So let's go here. Oh wait. Oh. Yoink. I know I like Flamingo too. A lot of us like Flamingo. Okay. So this was the Oh no. This is the virtual giveaway, not that one. Will he trade his chromas? What? Hold on, I'm confused. Is this one in? I'm so confused. I know I'm giving away a saw, but I don't want to click the wrong one. Okay. Yeah, this is the yeah, so it is this one. Okay, you got the giveaway. It's saw. I'm giving away saw.
Elderwood revolver. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll talk to you guys later. The new giveaway that I'm probably gonna do next is a more simpler one. I will give away a saw. So if you want to check.
All right, here it is. Okay. Control C. Alright, so this is the winner, bruh, please godly. My name is Fortnite Gamer. Well, even though I don't like Fortnite, still gotta give it to you, so congratulations on winning the saw. I'm gonna do another giveaway video soon, but yeah, congrats. You are the winner of the saw giveaway. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing another giveaway soon. Make sure to share the video. But yeah, this is who won. See you guys later.